In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wire Charles Schwab. We're going to use the simplest method, sending a wire directly from your Schwab account. Think of it as 4 clear stages: move money, send wire, enter details, and confirm, so you always know where you are in the process. Start by logging into your Schwab account on the website or app. From the main menu, go to Move Money, then choose Send Wire. That takes you straight to the wire setup screen, where you'll pick the type of wire you want to send. If the money is going to a bank within the United States, choose Domestic. If you're sending outside the US, choose International and decide whether you want to send US dollars or the local currency of the destination. The option you choose will determine which fields appear and how the transfer is routed. Next, enter the recipient's details carefully. For a domestic wire, you'll need the bank's routing number. For an international wire, look for the bank's SWIFT or BIC code. Add the recipient's account number, the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on the account, and the recipient's address. Then enter the amount and the date you want the wire to be sent. Take a moment to double-check everything. Routing numbers are typically 9 digits. SWIFT codes are often 8 or 11 characters, and small typos can cause delays or even a return of the funds. Confirm the recipient details with the person or business you're paying, and enter numbers without spaces or extra symbols. Before you submit, review the summary screen line by line. Make sure the amount and currency are correct, the date is what you intend, and the recipient information matches your source exactly. Accept the terms and conditions, then complete the verification step by entering the code sent to you via text or phone call. When everything looks right, click Submit. You should see a confirmation on screen, often with a reference number. Save that confirmation for your records until the funds arrive. Once sent, domestic wires typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days. International wires generally take around 5 to 7 days, depending on time zones, receiving banks, and local holidays. Keep in mind that wires submitted after daily cutoff times or on weekends and holidays will begin processing on the next business day. Also, make sure you have sufficient available funds, and remember that wires are designed to be final, so accuracy is essential. That's it. The simplest way to send a wire through Schwab. Move money, send wire, enter details, and confirm. Follow these steps, review carefully, and your transfer should go through smoothly.